Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINK's top vlogger. Big up NEWLINK's cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know, so the attacking bosses here, my viewers and subscribers. And you know, sir, when I really love people have a really sad story for talk about. You understand? And for some people, then me I go say, yo, NEWLINK, you know, because right now I go tell you the truth. Me I pray a story, I mean I pray a man personal life where I live. But me I pray a sad situation about a young man who lost his life. You understand? Sadly in Jamaica. You get me? As me say, me na pray, you understand? A man and him personal life and attack him and say, yo, him for this, him for that, because him a this or him a that. But pray a situation where a young man sadly lost his life. Because people send me this thing and them say NEWLINK, see they, them kill a look swim around NEWLINK, them kill a look. But on a real level, yo, I can't pray that and say, yo, you understand? Because as I say now, my people, everybody have them life to live. You know what I mean? When I live him life and you over there, so I live him life, do your thing over there, so. But stay in your lane, me in my lane. You get what I'm saying, my people? The thing when we do them thing and when we attack is we know when them people here, you understand, in a them lane and them try to force them way and trick people and push them in a them lane and set up people. Or do certain things that rob people and them something. Then the attack will launch. But if you know, say, yo, a man lost his life in a situation and thing, you know what I mean? My people, definitely, you know what I mean? It's a sad situation. So, this young man and all my people, you understand who them say is a popular makeup artist and thing, and go through him, see him over on Instagram, a lot of people know him, on TikTok, see him, a lot of people know him, also have him look a YouTube channel. So I could say a business blogger, you know what I mean, or another blogger, because him have him channel, him promoting works, him promoting products on social media. So he's basically a blogger. You understand? He's a blogger. So another blogger, you know what I mean, get cut down. Basically, that's how you have to put it. No joke about it. So, he was very popular, my people. As I tell a lot of people know him as a makeup artist and hairstylist from down there in Hanover, Jamaica. See, this article is saying, oh, well, for some people, they must say Sandy Bay, Hanover, which is two different parts in Hanover. So, if it occurred in Opal or Sandy Bay, it's basically two different parts. So, as I say, some people say it happened in Sandy Bay, some people say in Opal, but we know say it happened down there in Hanover, Jamaica. And Saturday, you understand, where this 21-year-old youth, who goes by the correct name Christopher Hibbert, also known as One Chris Buzz, you understand, was basically stabbed to death, my people, at him business location of them same got down there in Hanover. So them say sometime, my people, you understand, close to 6 in the afternoon, this youth was at his business establishment when him and another person now, basically another man, involved in an argument with people. During this argument, it lead to where them have a fight, my people. And during the fight, boy, I tell you, them say the other person managed to pull a 3-star ratchet and them use it to put several wounds to this young man, my people. Close by people see what go on, rush to him, rescue my people. They rush him to the hospital down there, my people. And sadly, him never make it, my people. Him drop out. You understand? Just the age of 21. As me say, a lot of people over there on social media say, yo, them cannot believe. A lot of people who know him say, yo, youth, he's a good youth, he's a jovial youth, you never deserve this. Some people say, yo, me here the day I said, you know what I mean, like this minute, this hour, and then this happen, you not deserve this youth. Some people say a bad mind, a hatred, a envy, which I don't get no information. The police didn't receive up to time of now, my people, them never really release nothing. Say if they do catch the perpetrator who's behind this, or them never release the full reason behind this. But as I say, my people, a young youth lost him life. You understand? Sad situation. Some people are praying and say, yo, him the dip on the other side, he was a swimmer around, him was this, he was that, and him forget this, him this will happen to him. But as I say, I can't attack him, and you know what I mean? Say, yo, youth, you for this, you for that. No. And I can't say, it's a sad situation, the people. And all I can say, I just hope, say, and I pray for every youth can pray straight the way, you know what I mean, or Jah would have want where to go. You know what I mean? But as I say, people get them life, they make them choices, and it's up to them. Me know when I myself when me I pray, and me know when me want. You understand? Because me love to see my nice round up thing them and my, you know what I mean, sexy thing them. Me love it, my people. So me a man, me love me pum pum. You get me? But For some people, them just pre life different, and that's for them. They made them lane over there, so me in my lane, son. It's a sad situation, so I just hope say them can get through some breakthrough into this, and for this perpetrator, this culprit who is behind this gruesome act of taking out this young blogger, you understand, young businessman, hairstylist, makeup, you know what I mean, artist and thing, and hope them can get some breakthrough, and condolences to all his friends and family who is mourning the loss of him, my people. And you don't know, this is Jamaica, my people. The devil is roaring, man. He's on the street every day. And the least little thing where you have argument, it can lead to anything where you lose a life in times like now. So we just have to be careful. Peace out, my people, and just stay safe and just continue to do the right thing. You don't know a one team, a one dream, and a one scheme, and a one attacking boss. Love you all, my people. Stay safe. Blessings. Big up. Attack.